Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it has been a hot minute since I've been in this corner of my house and I missed you guys. I missed filming, and yeah, I hope you guys are following me on Instagram because I've been doing a lot of short reels lately. It's easy, it's manageable for my schedule, but today requires a very special video, which is Fabfitfun Spring 2025. So here's the box, guys. Very minimalistic packaging. There's a big Fabfitfun logo right there. So guys, I am saddened to say that this is going to be my last Fabfitfun box unboxing. I have been a Fabfitfun member for over 2 years, I think going on 3, and I've really enjoyed my boxes. It's one of my most favorite subscriptions, and that's why I've kept this box for so long. Everything that I've gotten here, I've used in my own home, in my workout routine, in my beauty skincare routine. Like, this box is everything. So if you are interested in subscribing to Fabfitfun, don't let me stop you, okay? This is an amazing box, but sometimes it's time to change things up, and I think I'm going to take a break from Fabfitfun for a while and explore new videos, possible videos in the future. So with that said, if you guys have any new video ideas that you'd like me to talk about here at Terry's Corner, then let me know. So guys, if you want to know what I got in my Fabfitfun Spring 2025 box, then keep on watching. So here is the theme. Look at that. I love it. Definitely springtime feels, right? Fabfitfun spring things on the cover. I love that they put the decoration inside. I've been really loving it that way. So Fabfitfun, full of goodies, home, lifestyle, skincare, beauty, everything. It has everything, even food. Win a prize pack valued at $10,000. Scratch lightly with a coin to reveal if you won. I'm gonna scratch this at the end of the video, so sit tight and I'll let you know if I won $10,000. Oh my gosh, if I win $10,000, guys, be on the lookout for a future giveaway. Now, before I begin, I am an annual member, which means I pay the annual price of the 4 boxes, which is equivalent to 4 seasons. I pay them upfront so that I can get my box sooner. I can do my customization sooner. So there are some perks to being an annual member. So for customization 1, I chose this Desi, what the heck? Basically, it is a travel bag, and it's huge. This is something that you hang in the shower, and it's a toiletry bag with all sorts of compartments. Beautiful. So you just hang this anywhere, wherever you can hook this in. But I love all the different compartments. You have the smaller compartments, which I think I can put like toothbrushes, toothpaste, all of that stuff. You also have one that kind of detaches from the bag itself. So in case you need something, maybe your medicine bag, all your, you know, like pills, meds that you take. And then of course the bigger compartment like this, shampoos, conditioners, all the things. And I love the little smaller compartments right there. So things that are like maybe lotion, like anything in a tube. And then again, another zippered net here. And there's a zipper here too. Gosh, there's so many compartments. What do you guys think I should put here in this tiny space? I'm out of ideas. But I think you can also put like makeup brushes, because there's like little compartments there. And there's another one in here too. So it is a catch-all kind of, you know, toiletry bag. Almost feels like kind of like a faux leather material. I really hope that we can easily like just wipe off anything that gets on this bag, because it is kind of in a nudish cream color. So, but I I'm so excited that I got this. And this is by Desi Skin, by the way. Desi is a YouTuber that I used to follow a lot back in the day. Now she has her own brand. She's very pretty and classy from what I can remember. But yes, love that. Okay, customization 2 is kind of a big one. It is Rise and Shine Ceramics. It's a retro flower bowl, fruit bowl. I just remember when I saw this, it had such a pretty design. It just really reminded me of spring. So pretty. It's a fruit bowl, like fruit salad. Like if you want to have like just a tiny bowl for salads and pastas. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like it's big enough for entertaining and but like not overly big, you know what I mean? Just for like small gatherings, you know, like when your girlfriends are over. But yeah, definitely a nice fruit bowl as well. So pretty, so well made, and it matches the box. I love the colors, and of course pink, my favorite. That is definitely going in my kitchen front and center, and I will be using this a lot. Customization 3 is this small tiny one. Big things come in small packages, right? So this one, it is so gloomy right now, so I'm so sorry if I look so dark in here. But these are, if I'm not mistaken, are earrings. So they are like tiny gold hoop earrings. So they look like this. Let me go try to put them on real quick. Okay guys, what do you think? It looks so pretty. And I got the gold one. There was a choice for gold or silver, but yeah, what do you guys think? Such a pretty piece. Like dainty, and it's perfect for every day. But it's also like perfect for a date night. Like if you want to dress it up for an evening event, it works. I'm gonna keep this on. Next item, customization 4. So this customization comes with a membership also. It says enjoy 2 free months of mind-bending Bala fueled workouts. I really don't know what Bala workouts are, so I'm gonna have to Google them. But I've seen this in action before. They're like plates that you slide with. It's for yoga, Pilates, walking, dancing, barre, aerobics, boxing, core, hiking, HIIT exercises. So I am definitely gonna take them up on this 2 free months because I want to try to use this and I want to learn how to use them. So it's kind of like a velvety soft, but not really. But yeah, so you're supposed to like do some exercises. I think it's going to really strengthen your core. So I'm excited that I got this and I love the color. Next item, I had to Milk Makeup. I've never tried this. This one is their bronzer and it's in the color Baked. This is considered full size. But yeah, it's a bronzer stick. Let's see if it will work for my color. Oof, it's a little warm for my liking, but I love how glowy it looks. I think this is more of a bronzer than a contour. It blended so nicely on the skin and it actually filled in my pores. It will be very interesting to see how this works on my skin tone. I think this is gonna give me like that sun-kissed glow. And then customization 6 is this Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo. I love the Living Proof brand, and every now and then I need a detoxifying shampoo. So sometimes you get scalp buildup, sometimes it's just that time of the season where I have like itchy, flaky scalp. This one does the job. It deeply cleanses and removes product buildups. It takes me a while to get through this because I don't use it every day. I use it as needed. It does a good job with refreshing my scalp. So I love it. It doesn't weigh my hair down, gives me like that volume. Amazing. Living Proof is a good hair brand. So that is everything in my box as far as the customizations. Some customizations, I've done some add-ons. So I gotta show you guys the add-ons. For customization 1, I believe there was a choice for robes. This is by the brand Line and Dot. I bought 2 robes of this. Planning to gift this to someone. So I got two, one for myself and one for that special person in my life. So I think she will love this robe. I love that it's thin. Love that it's like a waffle knit. I don't know if you guys can see that. It feels so smooth. It feels luxurious. It's very lightweight though. So this is definitely a spring to summer robe. This is 100% polyester. I got the small to medium. Let's see how it looks like. I guess you can't really tell from me trying it on, but yes. Oh, so that's my first add-on, and it comes with, you know, the tie. I did buy two, so there's my second one. And then the next item, this one, I really don't know what they were thinking here, okay? I've recently gotten into heated yoga, but when you do heated yoga, you need a towel on top of your mat because you will sweat like a motherfucker. This is the towel. It literally said you can use it on top of your mat to catch any kind of sweat, blah, blah, blah. First of all, it's shorter than my tiny little 5'1", okay? And then it's half the size. One of my thighs can fit on this. How is this a towel? This is half the size of a yoga mat, okay? So I don't get it. It's just super tiny to me. No wonder it was only 10 bucks. But still, like, I expected an actual yoga towel. Anyways, there's that. I couldn't pass up. This is another add-on from the customizations. This is a rose ink bronzer brush. So I think when I saw the Milk Makeup bronzer, I was like, yeah, I do want an updated bronzer brush. And it's super soft, super good quality. Oh my gosh, love it. So I always get excited when I get new brushes. The last one, guys, I had to try, and I'm gonna try this right away. This is the Blend and Blur Sponge by Thrive Cosmetics. So Thrive Cosmetics, I love this brand. I do have a Thrive Cosmetic full face of makeup, a review on a lot of their makeup products, but they came out with a sponge. And so I'm like, well, then I need to try it, right? Oh, what is that? There's like an indentation. It's got a flat side right there if you guys haven't seen it. So I love that flat side for concealers. It feels super soft. It'll be interesting to see how it is when it's wet. Can't wait to try this from Thrive Cosmetics. Okay guys, so that is everything in my box. I will have the total value of my box in the description box below. What do you guys think? What is your favorite item that I have in this box? I love this box. It's one of my most well-rounded box. And honestly, I picked things that I knew was gonna stay with me a long time, like something that's more permanent, like the workout equipment or my fruit bowl, something that I'm going to remember Fabfitfun by. I am going to miss Fabfitfun. I'm going to miss doing videos for you guys showing Fabfitfun, but this is not the end. This is only the beginning of new things, new exciting things. So I hope you guys stay tuned for future videos. Comment down below what your favorite item is from this box. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye. In case you're wondering, I am sadly not a FabFitFun winner. Better luck next time for me, I guess. Bye, guys.